Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing this electric steam iron from Amazon. So here is the device. I've gone ahead and filled it up with water. Just lifting this little flange here, just some normal tap water. And here we have the handle, so it's very portable, and you get this little stand because you don't want this to go directly onto your surface or table or wherever you're putting it down, because it's going to be hot. You do also get this little container to help pour the water in, and you get an instruction manual and a nice little carry bag. So the reason I got this is because my other similar type of garment steamer I left in a hotel room, and they wanted $39.95 to send it back. And I thought, well, that's not great. I can send it for less than that. But I just thought I'd look on Amazon, and I found this. Perfect what I need. Good compact size. And it's got 3 modes, which cycles through once this is turned on. So dry, normal ironing mode like this, and we've got a low steam mode and a high steam mode. I usually don't iron very much, I just use the steam option. So that's probably what I'm going to use this mostly for. So what we'll do is we'll plug it in and see how long it takes to start going. So it's plugged in. The red light is flashing, so I assume that means it's heating up. And I can definitely feel the heat coming through there now. Pretty quickly. When the red light is flickering, the steam panels start to heat. Okay, so I think once the red indicator light is on steady, it means that we're fully heated up. So that was pretty quick. It's already heated up. So this is normal ironing mode. Don't have anything to iron, but it's definitely hot. There's no other configuration. And if I press it again, it goes green, and that's the low steam mode. I'm going to get the backdrop here so you can see it. Let's steam this. Low steam mode, and if I press it again, it goes blue, and that's high steam mode. So you just basically run your item of clothing and you steam it, and that's really helps with not just getting creases out, but refreshing your clothes. So for like those really heavy winter coats, I like to steam them because it keeps them fresh, and at the end of the season I get it dry cleaned. So there we go. It's quite simple. There's not really much else I can say about it. To turn it off, how do we turn this off? I think the only way to turn it off is just to unplug it. Let's have a quick look. Yep, okay. To turn it off, you can't just hold the button. It's always going to be on, so you have to unplug it from the wall. And I'll do that. So yeah, that was a very quick unboxing and quick demo, and I'm really impressed with how quick this heats up. As you can see, it is 1100 watts, so about half the power that a kettle uses. So, and it's really good for travel. There we go. This is the Oz Select convenient handheld steam iron from Amazon, currently for $39.99, and that's in Australian dollars. I'll leave a link to it in the video description, and hope this was useful.